Hey guys, Bill coming back at you again with another video, and today we're using these. So it's been a few weeks since we've showed much of this tent to see what's going on with the Autoflowers. So let's take a look at them. Okay guys, there we have it. We have the 4 Autoflowers in the 8x8 tent. Now in the back we have Critical Mass CBD 1 and Critical Mass CBD 2, Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme, and another Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme Autoflower. So all these girls were grown entirely under the Mars Hydro SP6500. This is an intense light, guys. Super bright. It can do a 4x4 easily. I even had to raise it to the very top of my 6.5 foot tent, and even then I did have to turn it down just a little bit because the plants were showing a little bit of light stress. So for anybody with a really big tent or a big room, these are a great light. I have a link in the description with a promo code if anybody's interested in any of Mars Hydro's products. So we have 2 that are done and 2 that need to go a little bit longer. So we have this little mutant here in the back, this Critical Mass CBD. This was done a few days ago and I just wanted to get it on video, so I left it go probably a little longer than I should have, but she is done and ready. She looks really good, smells really good, and can't wait to get her hanging up. And now her sister, another Critical Mass CBD, she is not ready. And as you can see, she's doing some really weird stuff here. We got foxtails starting out everywhere, all over the bud, all over the plant, all the way down. Now, this other one here also did that at the end. So I'm assuming it's a genetic strain thing or something like that. If it was only at the tops, then I would say it was environmental. But where it's all the way down, even the lower buds are also foxtailing. So I believe it's due to genetics. If anybody wants to hear more about foxtails, I did do a video last year, and I'll post it up here on the side of the page. Okay, so now we have the Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme. Now, both of these strains are from ilovegrowingmarijuana.com, by the way, which I have a link in the description. So this one here, she filled out really nice. That's a big auto right there. And nice hard nug. She is ready to go. She's frosty. She's purple. She's smelly. And I can't wait to get this one hung up either. Now, her sister over here, she's not quite done yet. And I just cleaned out a little bit more stuff down inside. And yeah, I think she needs another week or so to finish up. And she's just about there, though. Next week, we'll be taking this one down for sure. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you up on the tripod, and we're just going to get right at it. Okay, before we go on the tripod, I do want to do something first. I have a list here of my April Patreons, and I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of them. I really appreciate all my Patreon support. So thanks a lot, guys. And for April, we have Drew, the old fart. Thanks, Drew. Bob and Sandy. Rob Henderson. Matthew Bullock. Belladonna. Ricky Atkins. Jeffrey Taylor. Paul Atkinson. Nova Scotia Garage Grower. Judy and Leon. Kenneth Reeder. Green Thumb Farms. James and Katie Ham. And Jason Wenzel. Again, thank you guys. I really do appreciate the support. So let's get you guys on the tripod and we'll get some chopping done. Okay, guys, so instead of my big loppers, I almost forgot I got these here a little bit ago. They're for cutting pipe, and I wanted to try this out. That way I can hold onto the plant with one hand and just use this to chop through. Now, first off, I'm just going to go around the plant and cut off these pipe cleaners. We don't need them anymore. And I think that is it. All right, let's try this thing out here. Oops. See if we can get that down there. Look at that. Oh, we have one pipe cleaner left, Bill. Okay, so there we have it. Not very big. It's some pretty chunky buds on there, though. I'll take that. Man, the smell, too, is just nuts. And we'll give you the bouquet shot. So there that one is. Now I'm going to hang that up and grab the next. Okay, so now we have the Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme. And yeah, she's beautiful. I really like the looks of this one. Just really pretty. Nice colors on her. I'll show you a little closer here in a second. All right, so I'm going to use these again. That worked really well. I could hold on to the plant at the same time. So I'm going to get around the stalk here and take her down. All right, here we go. We got, of course, we have one more pipe cleaner here too. And here she is, guys. Look at that. That is beautiful. I wish I could share a piece with each and every one of you. But she will go to good use. You can see the training we did to her. We tied down her bigger branches. And we bent the whole branch sideways here. And so all the lateral branches coming off, those were all the big tops. Like this one here is one of the bottom branches, and it's one of the biggest ones on the top of the plant. So LST really does work well. All right, let's hang this one up too. Okay, so we have them both taken down. Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme, quite a bit larger. Really nice buds. Really like that one. And the last Girl Scouts Cookies Extreme was really nice as well. So I know it's a good strain. And we have the little mutant. And as I'm looking at the mutant right now, I see something that I do not like. And I want to point it out to you. I wish I had better lighting right here. Do you see that? Little nanners just starting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mist it with water. I have a bottle actually right here. So we're gonna spray that with water. And I'm going to take the plant right outside and I'm going to pick that off and discard it and check the plant for any more. And then I can put it in my dry closet. Not really what I wanted to see, but I did leave it go an extra week when I shouldn't have. Now I see if I come down this branch, I can see another one right there. And just starting another one there. So yeah, we're definitely going to get this out of the house and get that looked after. Okay guys, so we got them down. Little unfortunate on the critical mass CBD, but I think we caught it in time, so I'm not too worried about it. These other girls that I have in here are not even in flower yet. They're photo periods, so I'm not too worried about that. And I think we got them before anything opened and any pollen escaped, which is good because they weren't there a couple of days ago. Okay guys, so I gotta go look after that. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Happy growing.